If you have been longing to build a functional factory in Owerri, the opportunity has just presented itself. The truth is that building a factory can be very challenging in terms of registration, the construction, especially building it in an industrial area that is mapped out by the government. Today, I have such opportunity at your doorstep. I'm going to drive you through from number 1 Naze down to where this property is, and this factory is located in an industrial area of Owerri, Imo State. This is just an opportunity that presented itself. All right, this is Naze Junction number 1, and we are diverting to Poly Road, and this road is also leading to Federal University of Technology Owerri food tour. As promised, this video is going to give a full description of this factory. Just stay tuned. If you want to build anything factory without disturbance, the government of Imo State have already mapped out a particular location for every factory, and where we are going now is called industrial cluster, and this place is specifically for industries. In case you don't know, this is industrial cluster markets along Poly Road. Do you know, a few years ago, this is one of the worst roads that we have in Imo State, and it affected every business around this area. I just thank God for the situation of this road right now, because it's helping every business along this road to grow. You can't even imagine the amount of hotels around this place right now, not to talk of other business that is also booming around these locations. So we are going to take the next U-turn to be able to access this property. Just like I told you before, this video is going to give you the clear description of this property, and that is what we are doing right now. So I'm going to take you straight to this property for you to see. At this point, we are going to divert right, and one good thing about this property is that you'll be seeing it from the main road, so it is very much closer to the road and accessible. So if you are doing business in such location, how to import and export your goods is never going to be a problem. Welcome to this beautiful factory. What a short distance from the main road. Don't worry, I'm gonna take you inside for you to take a look at every corner of this building. Right here, let me zoom the road for you to see. One thing I like about this factory is space. It has space both outside and inside. This factory is not 100% built. You can buy it now and finish it up to your taste. But the major constructions in this factory has been done, which is the building. It has gotten to almost finishing level, which you can just paint it or even screed it if to your taste. Just do it to your taste. This property is lying on the plot size of 1,328 square meters, which is 3 plots of land. This uncompleted factory has already gone far in terms of constructions. Both the interior and the exterior walls of this factory has been plastered, and almost all the windows and doors has been fixed. So in this factory we have space for offices, which this is one of the space for offices. We have space for the managing directors. Also we have space for staff offices. And what I'm going to take you around for you to see. Wow, have you seen how big the factory is? This is the factory hall, and it is big enough for any productions. It depends on what you want to produce inside here, but to me, I think here is big enough to This factory is well built. Considering the locations and the constructions, you will know that selling this factory at 90 million naira is very, very cheap, of which every interested person should take advantage of it as soon as possible. Let me take you up for you to see for yourself. This factory today is selling for 90 million naira distress sale, and the document of this property is power of attorney. So if you're interested in this property, please kindly call us on 07033062681 for a free site inspection and for you to do your due diligence before any form of negotiation and payment. My name is Uncompleted, your real estate consultant here in Owerri. Thanks so much for watching, and bye for now.